Hello friends. Before going any further, I would like to convey that students, be rest assured that you are learning physics from one of the best professor of physics in the country. I have taught physics to students in IIT as well as those preparing for IIT JEE for the past 40 years and have worked out millions of problems in these years. That's why I can work out any problem without any difficulty and can make all my students very comfortable in the subject. Let's go further. So our next question from JEE Main 2019 11th of January evening session is: when 100 grams of a liquid A at 100 degrees Celsius is added to 50 grams of a liquid P at a temperature of 75 degrees Celsius, the temperature of the mixture becomes equal to 90 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the mixture, if 100 grams of liquid A at 100 degrees Celsius is added to 50 grams of the liquid B at 50 degrees Celsius, will be. The choices are 85 degrees Celsius, 80 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. Friends, this is a very simple question from calorimetry in thermal physics and has only one choice correct. Before going further, please press the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the notification of all my future videos. Let us now try to solve this question. Please note, पहली बार क्वेश्चन को पढ़ने से ऐसा लगता है कि दोनों लिक्विड सेम हैं और दोनों की स्पेसिफिक हीट भी सेम है, लेकिन अगर ऐसा है तो इस क्वेश्चन का कोई मीनिंग नहीं रह जाता। इसलिए इसको दोबारा सोचने से मालूम पड़ता है कि क्वेश्चन में लिक्विड 1 और लिक्विड 2 दो अलग अलग लिक्विड्स हैं और इसलिए दोनों की स्पेसिफिक हीट भी अलग अलग होनी चाहिए। Let S1 and S2 be the specific heats of liquid 1 and liquid 2 respectively. Then as per the principle of calorimetry, heat lost by liquid 1 equals heat gained by liquid 2, that is 100 into S1 into 100 minus 90 equals 50 into S2 into 90 minus 75, or 20 S1 equals 15 S2, or 4 S1 equals 3 S2, or S1 equals 3 by 4 S2, equation 1. Let capital T be the equilibrium temperature in the second case. Then, according to the principle of calorimetry, heat lost by liquid 1 equals heat gained by liquid 2. Therefore, 100 into S1 into 100 minus capital T equals 50 into S2 into T minus 50. Substituting the value of S1, we get 100 into 3 by 4 S2 into 100 minus capital T bracket closed equals 50 into S2 into T minus 50, or 300 minus 3T equals 2T minus 100, or 5T equals 400, or T equals 80 degrees Celsius. So our answer matches with option 2 out of the 4 given choices, and therefore option 2 is the right answer. Please note, this is a very simple question from calorimetry, and this is the second question from calorimetry in this paper. I hope you could understand the problem. Else, write to me in the comment box and come forward, like and share this video with your friends, and do visit us again for our next video. Till then, enjoy yourself.